Hello and welcome to our educational video on using basic logic in checkbox formulas. In this unit, we'll explore the power of formulas, focusing on the checkbox type and the fundamental logical operators, if, and, not, and or. By the end of this video, you'll have the skills to create dynamic formulas and enhance your data management capabilities. Let's get started. Before we dive into the world of checkbox formulas, let's outline what we aim to achieve by the end of this unit. We'll cover the basics, master logical operators, understand use cases, and of course, create a formula using the checkbox type. Formulas are your key to unlocking the full potential of your organization's data. They empower you to perform calculations, embed hyperlinks, and utilize conditional logic to make your data work for you. Now, when it comes to checkboxes, it's simple: selected or not selected. A checkbox formula is essentially a logical statement that results in either true or false. Let's explore the basic logical operators that bring these formulas to life. Our building blocks for checkbox formulas are the if, and, not, and or functions. These logical operators will be your tools to create dynamic and responsive formulas. First up, we have the and function. This function returns true only if all arguments are true. It's a powerful tool for checking multiple conditions in your formula. And the best part? It's not limited to just two conditions. Here are some text functions that are used in text formulas. Begins tells you if a string begins with another string. Contains tells you if a string contains another string anywhere inside it. Unlike and or returns true if at least one condition is true. It can handle multiple conditions and opens up various possibilities for your formulas. Now, the not function is straightforward. It flips true to false and vice versa. A practical use case could be indicating if essential information is missing from a contacts page using the isBlank function. Lastly, we have the if function, a versatile tool for conditional logic. It takes 3 arguments and allows you to evaluate results based on whether a test is true or false. This opens up a world of possibilities in your formulas. You can take your formulas to the next level by nesting if statements. This allows you to create complex conditions, forming a logical tree. Remember, clear line breaks and spaces are your friends when dealing with nested if statements. And there you have it. You've learned the basics of checkbox formulas and the essential logical operators. To begin, head to Setup and utilize the Quick Find box to locate and access the Object Manager. In the Object Manager, click on Contact and then Fields and Relationships. After that, select New to create our custom formula field. Choose Formula as the field type and click Next to continue with our customization. In the Field Label section, name our field Do Not Contact. The field name will automatically populate. Now, select Checkbox as the formula return type. Click Next. Enter formula in Formula Editor. After entering the formula, check syntax to avoid any error. Then click Next. On the field security page, click Next again, and then confidently click Save to finalize your formula. Fantastic! You've successfully configured a Do Not Contact checkbox formula field in Salesforce. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.